It is your thoughts that are keeping you anxious or depressed. And most of your thoughts are recycled from the day before. Here's how to stop the cycle and rewire your mind for better mental health. Hi and welcome. If you are anxious or depressed or both, then this video is for you. And I'm doing this video off the back of somebody that I met today who also has been suffering for many years of anxiety and depression. And so first and foremost, I'd like to say I used to be a mental health nurse, and I left it in the end because I actually just felt like a glorified drug pusher, and I really felt that we were just always treating symptoms and never actually getting to the root of people's issues. And so that, in combination with the person that I met today, I really just wanted to reach out to people. And I genuinely, hand on heart, promise, if you can get your head and your mind either into books or YouTube videos, that you can be a different person even within a month. And because a lot of the times what happens is most people actually recycle 80% plus of their thoughts from the day before. And so if you're having a lot of anxious and depressive thoughts, you're going to continue to have them. And so when you start to learn new information from books, from YouTube, from Instagram, whatever it is, anything that's just inspiring and positive than what's going on up here, you will actually start to create new and healthier neural pathways. I personally swear by this more than long-term therapy. Don't get me wrong, therapy has a place because it gets it out of here and somebody can be your sounding board and gently guide you. But I feel like from my own experience of just listening to so many books, it literally can turn you around from who you are. And I will put in the description, it won't be on the day the video's out because I actually have just realised I haven't done a video today. But I will get it out in there, and I'm going to put a list of all the books that I feel that I've listened to that I think are just massively helpful for people to try and change what's going on up here, but also to connect what's going on here in the heart. And the person I met today particularly, they were always people pleasing, just saying yes all the time, even though they didn't always want to. And even was saying that, you know, what about if a friend rings up and starts having a go at you, even though you've got cancer, and feels like, well, I wouldn't have a friend like that. And if you have a friend like that, you've got to ask yourself, like, why are you allowing them to stay in your life? Okay? Anybody that brings you down, anybody that's rude and shouting and disrespectful, you have to let them go. And I know that sounds very harsh, and it's not even that you have to let them go forever. It's just while you start to learn to fill up your own cup and to replace what's going on here, and so that you can start loving yourself more. Okay, and I really do feel that is a massive root of this, because when you truly love yourself, then I think that you just reach out more for the things that are going to keep that feel-good feeling of love. But when you're not in the best place, I think then you're more likely to put up with toxic relationships, whether it's a friendship, a romantic relationship, or relationships with your family. Anyway, if you are watching this video, please know your life doesn't have to stay how it is. There is always hope. Okay, all you have to do is decide in this moment that you choose you, that you are going to start putting you first, that you no longer accept this way of your life, and that you will start to seek more for yourself. And if you make that decision and make that commitment to yourself, it's half the battle. Then all you need to do is just start every day doing one thing. It can be the smallest thing. If you don't know where to start, TED Talks are amazing. It's a free app. They're on YouTube. Like there's just so many TED Talks, and all of them they're around 18 minutes long. Some of them can be 12, some of them can be 24. Even if you committed, right, for this next week I'm going to commit to one TED Talk a day. But if you make that decision for yourself, and then every day just take a step in that direction, I promise you from the bottom of my heart, you will change. You will start to feel better. If, you know, sometimes if you've been in this pattern for a long time, it can take time. And if you're only listening to a little bit, it can take time, you know. But the sooner you can get yourself into books, into YouTube videos, into maybe even TED Talks, it will be a game changer. Literally, like, you watch this video and comment in a month and I'll be surprised if that is no difference, genuinely. And you can do this. You are here watching this for a reason. So believe in yourself and know that it is possible. Okay, so much love and blessings, and just please know you are worth the best. Even if you don't ever feel it, you are. Okay, take care. Bye.